ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅನುಪಮಾ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಬಸವನಗುಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅಸಿಡಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈಗ್ರೇನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮೈ ಹೆಡೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವುಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸಿವಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಅನೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಎನಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ 1 month I have been taking this medicine. I am taking only medicine for gastro support twice a day. 30 ml with 60 ml of lukewarm water. It has benefited me a lot. In the sense, my migraine pain has not recurred from past 1 month. Only once a month, e month only once I have suffered migraine. But otherwise it was very frequent. Weekly once or twice I used to get. Since I have started taking medicine, ashtu bandilla. Only once a month bandide. It has not recurred after that. So I'm quite satisfied with the medicine. I'm planning to continue it for some more time so that the acidity problem also cures down completely.
You would suggest something to our patients?
My suggestion is that basically whatever medicine we take, we need to have complete belief on that medicine, and we need to be a little disciplined with whatever diet also we are taking so that it will benefit us 100%.